Dubai is the fourth most visited place in the world and is famous for its high-rising architectural wonders and excellent collection of resorts and spas. It is a place that was once the talk of the town for its gigantic tower Burj Al Arab, only to be replaced by the Palm Jumeirah and Burj Khalifa. Let's just say, this city never stops growing and is on a rapid rise, building futuristic towers as well as fascinating attractions. Certainly, it is a holiday experience taken to another level, where there exist world's largest gardens and markets, an entertaining venue filled with cultural shows, indoor aquatic world and lots more. So, here is our list of best 10 places to visit in Dubai. Number 10. Dubai Creek. An integral part of Dubai, both ancient and modern, Dubai Creek separates the city into Diriyah to the north and Burj Dubai to the south. In many ways the place where it all began, the creek is a great place to get a feel for the traditional ambience of Dubai. Check out the Dow Wharf, north of the Al Maktoum Bridge, to see vessels up to a century old continuing to act as a lifeline for small traders from across the region. You might even get invited aboard. There are a number of buildings to note, not least the Diriyah Twin Towers and National Bank, while nearby Dubai Creek Park is one of the largest in the Emirate and a great place for a relaxed picnic with friends old and new. Number 9. The Dubai Fountain. Combine visits to 3 top things to do in Dubai by exploring the heights of the Burj Khalifa, taking in a spot of shopping at the Dubai Mall, and then watching the spectacular water displays of the Dubai Fountain. The illuminated jets move in time to popular musical numbers from around the world in the largest choreographed display of its kind. With jets shooting up to 150 meters in the air, it's an incredible sight. Number 8. Bastia. Also known as Old Dubai, Bastia is a treasure trove of Emiratian heritage. The district on Dubai Creek was created in the late 19th century. Largely unchanged since then, the area's narrow lanes are crammed full of elegant period buildings, many boasting wind towers that help keep these buildings cool during the summer heat. The Bastia is also a burgeoning arts center. Don't miss the traditional Arab furniture and ceramics of the Majlis Gallery, or the modern art of the XVA Gallery. Number 7. Dubai Museum. Situated in the stunning sand-colored Al Fahidi Fort, which was built in the late 1700s to defend Dubai Creek, this is Dubai's foremost museum and top Dubai cultural attraction. Amid the centuries-old design consisting of coral stone, palms, and wooden supports among other materials, there is a fascinating exhibition of maps showing how Dubai has changed over the years and a courtyard full of traditionally constructed boats. For an insight into Emiratian life old and new, you can't do better than Dubai Museum. Number 6. Dubai Mall. More than just a way of entering the Burj Khalifa or gazing at the underwater world of Dubai Aquarium, Dubai Mall sees people travel from across the globe to seek out its stylish stores. The shopping opportunities here could easily be described as endless. There are more than 1200 shops, but should bargain hunting become too much, there are a huge array of places to eat, as well as an ice rink, gaming zone and cinema. Number 5. Burj Al Arab. Burj Al Arab is the tallest hotel in the world, though it cannot compete with the heady heights of the Burj Khalifa. The Burj Al Arab does lay claim to being the world's tallest hotel at 321 meters high. Sitting on its own dedicated island, its architecture echoes the shape of a traditional dhow in full sail, a type of merchant ship that has been plying the waters around the emirate for centuries. Come nightfall, the exterior is lit up with a kaleidoscope of colors. Number 4. Diriyah. You'll find a number of Dubai points of interest in Diriyah, the oldest part of the city. Lying on the northern side of Dub Ai Creek, the area's twisting roads are home to a melee of people and cultures that call Dubai home. Most famous for its souks, or markets, it's a world away from Dubai Mall. Here you'll rub shoulders with locals while delving into the world of exquisite gold jewelry and taking in the scents of unknown spices. Number 3. The Palm Jumeirah. This man-made island in the shape of a palm tree, the Palm Jumeirah, is where you'll find many of Dubai's finest hotels, including the iconic Atlantis. This enormous hotel is also home to Aquaventure water park, which boasts the world's longest water slide as well as another that drops 9 stories. There is also a huge stretch of child-friendly sand and the chance to go on an underwater safari using Sea Trek helmets. Number 2. Dubai Aquarium. Another unmissable sight in Dubai is the Dubai Aquarium, home to 140 colorful species of fish and other sea life. The main tank holds 10 million liters of water, and amongst hundreds of sharks and rays is the largest collection of sand tiger sharks in the world. Situated on the ground floor of Dubai Mall, it is possible to view the main massive tank, large enough for glass-bottomed boat tours on its surface, from the mall itself, though nothing quite matches the thrill of heading into the tank yourself by entering the 148-meter-long walk-through tunnel. For the adrenaline junkie, cage snorkeling and shark diving are both on offer. Number 1. Burj Khalifa. The tallest building in the world, Burj Khalifa. No Dubai sightseeing trip is complete without a visit to the building that has come to symbolize the city more than any other. The world's tallest freestanding structure, rising to an almost unbelievable height of 829.8 meters, the Burj Khalifa is not to be missed. A visit to the at the top observation deck on the 124th floor offers panoramic views that are simply breathtaking and includes a multimedia experience that details some of the difficulties overcome during the mammoth building project. Also, make sure you don't miss the beautiful gardens that surround the tower at ground level. Do subscribe ScoopBuddy for more such videos.